eDiary feature is used to store the case details of a lawyer. This is a virtual diary which replaces the conventional diary. You can define a case number, party, start date, court, case category, case description, next step to be taken, remarks, next date and time, and save the record in the diary. Now close the window and you can view the case entry displayed on My Scheduler on the relevant time slot. You can view the details by simply double-clicking on it. Go to Search tab of eDiary. You can search cases by their category here. You can also group the cases by any field you need. Simply drag and drop the column to the top of the table and group them. If you want to further add details to this case, double-click on it and the case details window will appear. Here you can use the Add Attachments feature to add drafts to this case. Click on Attach Files button and you will see the eDrafts window. Select the draft category and the template draft and attach it. Scanned documents, photos and any other file format which you have added as a template also can be attached here. Save the attached document and you will see that document in Case Resources files which is saved in a unique file name. Now update the case with all the changes you made. If the case is given a next date in the courts, you can specify it here. Click on Postpone button, specify the date, click on Add Next Step button, define the next step, add remarks if exist, click on Add Step button and update the case. Close the window and now you can see the next step entry of the case in My Scheduler.